What's up, y'all? It's your battle buddy Bob. Where am I? In the country of France. The city of Nice, spelled like nice. And right now, I'm about to pull up on my brother Robbie. He's in this condo right here. And man, it's a tall condo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! That's a lot of stairs. Hopefully they got an elevator. But just want to tap in with y'all, battle buddies around the world. You know, want to show you around and encourage you. Hey, there's a lot of beautiful world out here, and everywhere in this city I've been so far is really nice. I'm starting to think this is where the word "nice" come from, but I gotta do some research on that one. But hey, let's go see what my brother's doing. See how, check out his condo he rented. And you get to look around. These giant hilltops around this city look like they got some beautiful buildings up there. I wonder if they houses. I know some of them are residences. And a lot of times I look around this city, it's like a mix of the old world and new world. It's a coastal city, similar with Cons, coastal city. You know, I've noticed, going around the world, coastal cities have a different vibe. You know, people are more relaxed, a lot more happy, and not so much as in a rush like some major cities. And I get down with that. You know, nice, easy, slow down, peaceful. I like everybody be in a good mood. I want everybody to be happy because I focus on being happy. And it's easier for me, I've noticed, being in these coastal cities. I didn't notice, at the beginning, but I know now. And I really been enjoying these coastal cities. It's a different kind of relaxation, a different kind of peace, to say the least. And I mean, every coastal city, I really enjoyed it. So that might be a consideration for me in the future. Staying maybe in a couple more years, if I gotta pick another place to have another home. Speaking of Robbie, there he is.
Robbie, there you go.
Hey.
I wrote a song for you, like the head go.
Okay. Clash of the old world and the new world comes again. They got an elevator. Oh, thank you, Lord.
They call it a lift.
They call it a lift here?
Yeah.
Okay, I call it tight.
Yeah, it's a little slim.
Okay, do we gotta push one of these buttons?
Watch your hand.
Okay. What floor are you on?
5th floor. Bruh man from the 5th floor.
Bruh man from the 5th floor. Let me show you the other side. Man.
Yeah, we in Brooklyn right now.
Is this how it is?
If we was in New York, this would be Brooklyn.
Wow. The city of Nice is comparative or similar to Brooklyn.
Newly gentrified, you got your nice restaurants, you got your mom and pops, you got everything you need.
And then push the button, push the door. Okay. All right. And somebody moving in downstairs.
Oh yeah?
All right. Let's go on in together.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice little spot.
This is how you do? You just show up in the city and just rent a nice condo like this?
Little apartment situation,
I see.
You know how they say ain't no place like home?
Yeah. It's nice to visit, spend some time, but at a certain moment, it's like, you know what? I need to get on back to my home. But right now, we in France. Okay. I can tell this place has been remodeled. recently remodeled. Let's go around this hallway, see what's over. Okay, so I see one. Okay, so it's a 2-bedroom unit.
2 bedrooms.
Man, if I'd have known you was gonna be staying here, I'd have stayed here with you.
And I can't help it. I don't know why. I always choose the little room.
I don't mind.
I showed Sam. She said, "Well, why you ain't get the big room?" I said, "I don't know. I just felt like this was cool."
You know what? The big room is for me. That's why. Next time we gonna be in the same place. Oh, you got balconies on each room, so you can come out here and overlook the city. Man. Okay, and I parked right there. I parked down there. Wow. Yeah, I appreciate you inviting me out here, Robbie. This is weird, man. My first time in France. My brother invited me, and I'm having a really good time. Just seeing this place, eating good food, meeting good people. I made a connection earlier with a doctor and his wife. They doing a business here. She's a researcher. They got multiple companies. And look, they was already trying to hire me and figure out where to plug me into their company. But I'm gonna tell you about that later. So right now, me and my brother Robbie, we're gonna kick it for a while, catch up, and before I forget, get off the couch. Come on over here with your battle buddy Bob and explore the world. Peace, y'all.